Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Barbecue season is right around the corner, and like every year, I get myself ready by making my own spice blends. One of them is Montréal Steak Spice. I prefer making it from scratch because I'm in control of the amount of salt and other ingredients. Let me show you how. So my friends, let's get cooking. There are 9 ingredients to make this blend. There's mixed peppercorns with white, red, green, and black, having a slight different taste from one to another. By the way, this is what I use in 99% of my recipes. There's also dehydrated garlic as well as dehydrated onion flakes, both very easy to find at most grocery stores. Then mustard seeds, a good ingredient to have in your kitchen. Followed by dill seeds, which I ran out of, so I reached for dill weed, which works just fine. There's smoked paprika. Come on, this is a steak rub, so obviously this one is a must. It has to be smoky. And some Himalayan sea salt. Now this one is to taste. I like 1.5 tablespoons in my blend, but if you want more than that, go ahead. There's also coriander seeds that goes in and cayenne pepper. A respectful steak rub needs some kick to it. Alright, so in a mortar, we'll grind some of them starting with peppercorns. Then dehydrated onion flakes, which is a key ingredient when I make my homemade onion soup mix. The next one is mustard seeds, followed by Himalayan sea salt, which is another ingredient that I use in most of my recipes. And last but not least, coriander seeds. So when we're done with the grinding, we'll combine all the ingredients, including the ones we didn't have to grind, to a mixing bowl. We'll whisk until nicely blended, and believe it or not, we'll taste and adjust the seasoning if needed before transferring to an airtight container. This recipe yields 1 cup. As you saw in this video, it takes just 10 minutes to make, and you have yourself a better fresh steak rub. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!